Hello again, BillionaireGhos, traders, and viewers. Wealth is a mindset. Stay progressive and never ever stop excelling. Always remember that your happiness within your own life is directly correlated to the progress you are striving for. Therefore, if you're not happy with your current situation, you have only but to assess yourself and your current situation and make the necessary adjustments to give yourself the opportunity for progress, which in turn will translate to happiness in your outer experience. Thank us later by banging the subscribe button, we appreciate it. Welcome to the analysis and breakdown of US30, done in collaboration with your honorable BillionaireGhos. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button here on the verified YouTube channel, and let us know in the comments your thoughts on the current content. Thanks again. Let's get straight into the analysis, shall we? Today on this beautiful Monday, we are profiling the king of the financial markets, US30. Starting with Asian session. Sunday market open. Leading into London, we had a push to the upside into 4-hour order block area. We can clearly see a double top forms which drives the price down from market open all the way to London. With the weakness created near those order block areas, we quickly see price react in a bearish manner leading into the London session. Keep in mind that Sunday and Monday are days that we don't really expect any major movements, but being that we are trading US30, even scalping or looking for short-term positions on these 2 days can prove to be pretty profitable. By the London session, we can see price beautifully form rejection at a minor support area, as marked off in the gray region of our current systems. These areas reset every day. Side note, BillionaireGhos, keep these levels in mind, as the levels are very important in the mechanical side of our trading edge. Keep in mind we have been in a major 4-hour consolidation, which is, of course, in our opinion, is a big profitable range to trade from. It's advisable to trade what you see and whatever makes sense within the consolidation to maximize your profits on either end of either resistance or support. It's also advisable to always pay attention to trend direction and what part of the trend theme we are in: continuation, consolidation, profit releases or pushes, or potential reversals. The 4-hour consolidation can be seen beautifully on a 4-hour chart with a current daily order block at the time of this recording sitting at 34,369.1 area. At the time of this recording, February 13th, 2023 at 12:45 p.m. US30 has currently broken 4-hour resistance and created bullish upside into the daily and 4-hour resistance zones, with strong price action indicating bearish cycles to come. Here is our opinion on the current price action. We are nearing major resistance on the higher time frames and currently in a temporary bullish trend. Going forward for the week, we are looking for anticipating massive downside, especially if we can hold the daily order block area at 34,369.1. This is my ideal entry for selling US30 currently at this time of the recording, with stop loss right above these highs, which is pretty tight. Tuesday, February 14th at 8:30 am. CPI news will be released. I'm interested to see what volatility the markets will bring. If these highs hold, we can see some nice bearish pressure back to the downside of the big consolidation zone, where we in fact have higher highs being created on a daily time frame. Our current daily time frame support levels are 33,386.46 approximately. Profiling the daily chart on US30, we can see a lot of current wick rejection with a nice potential upside extension to fill a very large wick that has been created previously. If current price action of US30 is driven to the upside, we can see one more push into the daily order block order area, sitting at 34,989.2, which in the event will create a strong double top and initiate the downside back to the daily support or beyond. My sentimental analysis with the state of the world, with companies like Google losing $100 billion in valuation over an AI mistake against tech giant Microsoft, The current brewing multiple wars and conflict of interests between multiple countries currently. Interest rate hikes and fears of recession could drive the markets past our initial support areas listed previously. Monday has been a success in terms of bullish movement into the 4-hour and daily order block areas. I feel like it will be a very bearish week after this for the next little while. If these resistance areas hold, let's recap on what's happened. We can see an initial break on both a 30-minute time frame and clean 4-hour time frame break of resistance that has a bullish reaction, driving price into higher time frame resistance areas. Price action currently is showing us a massive downside to come in the near future with the potential for the daily support to initially be broken. 4-hour chart shows good strong consolidation zones with price nearing the upside resistance areas of the zones. My idea is we can be heading to the upside to clear those highs before going down. We go up to go down. We go down to go up. As above, so below. My previous search and experience confirms markets always has very strong price movement before news release, leading into the news release down to the very last second, which will be 8:29:59 am. This concludes Monday's US30 analysis. Quick notes for and from BillionaireGhos before we close. Pay attention to the breaks on a 30 minutes, 1 hour and 4-hour chart. Follow your system closely with one of the entry areas, either through harmonics, pivots, or African system. Look left to go right, every time, all the time. Always check for potential institutional levels before entry to avoid getting caught in the wrong side of the trend in correlation with our trend indication systems. Always look for the most mechanical entries as possible and move stops to break even once price action moves away from your entries. Look for new positions to build the marginal side of our trading or close and call it a trading day. Wait for price action to form our ideal candle formations before exiting a particular trend, whether it be upside or downside. Wait for the confirmations to switch bias to avoid getting caught on the wrong side of the trend. Thank you for tuning in to today's analysis. Make sure to show some love and drop your thoughts in the comments. We appreciate your feedback. Hit the subscribe button and look out for new content and also new music. Until the next video, stay safe, keep applying yourself forward in your respective fields and never give up. For all the traders, may the pips and profits be with you.